There are a couple of ways to identify animals on heat. You can do it live or look at the heat report at the end of milking. To see animals on heat in a live view, click Menu, Settings, and we're going to set up a new milking layout. New milking layout. Let's start with a blank canvas. Let's name this layout Heat View. Set the watching position. We're watching at the end of the rotary, so 28 in this case. Before we save that, let's remember to set up the alerts, activated heat patches, missing heat patches, and we might as well just alert to reapplies as well. Let's set up the columns that are relevant for heat. So let's heat patch, days since heat or mating, heat date, and days since previous heat or mating. Now we've set that up, let's save that. Always remember to switch to that view now. And if we make our way to the milking screen, you can see now that the columns we set up are there: heat, days since heat, heat date, and days since previous heat. We're also being alerted to different heat activity. So this is a live milking view of heats happening. The other way to see heats is go Menu, Heat, and here's a complete list of heats for this session.